Hi guys, but today we're making another video.
And what's this one about, Jett?
About my new toys, except one of them are old. This one. It's the same as this.
And what's that one?
They're both races.
Yeah?
And they're the same. They're the same thing.
So, what did you pay for these with?
With my money, pocket money, Granny and Pa gave to me.
Yep, your birthday money from Granny and Pa, and your pocket money.
And these are this is the Muppet Troll. This Muppet Troll here is for that one, and this one here is for that one.
And what's the other thing you bought there?
A cool car.
What colour is it?
Orange. Yeah, it's orange, and it's black and orange, and that I got these from a shop. But Daddy, I just need to tell you something.
Do I stop the video?
No.
Okay.
Only if we just had something weird to do the video.
Do you want me to stop this?
No. I just
Yes, Jetty?
pause.
So what are you doing now, Jett?
I'm opening up the vehicles.
Yep.
And first I'm opening up the new cool car I got. But not the races, that, because that's really old I got. Except I'm not going to be showing the other new vehicles except I can only show you only this one.
Do you need a hand with that, Jett?
Yes.
Okay, we'll just stop it here. Okay, so that took a little bit longer to unbox than we thought it would, didn't it, Jett?
Yes.
Okay, you're going to get into camera shot now and tell everybody what you got.
I got a jump with them.
Yep.
And I got mini monster trucks with them, 2 little minis.
Well, they were out of your collection, so.
They were out of here because these are all my old cars.
Yeah.
And these 2 here are from my old day.
What?
There.
Yeah, they can see it, Jett.
This one and that. These 2 are old and this one is new.
Show them the new one. And what was cool about it that we found out before?
They could open up these. Like at the back.
Wow. Show on the side. Turn it on the side. Yeah, they open backwards. That's crazy.
And this one opens up its doors how autos do it.
Yep.
Except this one doesn't do anything cool because it just does nothing.
Okay, Jett, let's show them your remote control cars.
Daddy, I'm gonna have to put 5 alarm beside.
That's okay.
I'm putting this one beside.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna put the mini monster truck over here.
Yeah.
So then we can fit the remote controller.
Whoa. Can you drive it back, Jett?
It was just a little bit stuck.
So who's that?
Races,
And he's your...
favorite.
Whoa! Okay, Jett, shall we set up a competition to have? Or you just want to drive it around for a little bit?
Drive it around for a little bit.
It's very hard to keep up with where you're driving, Jett. You got him stuck under the couch.
I'm stuck. Hey, fans, take this.
Oh!
No, you did, Daddy. That one, that was meant to be going in there. Go.
Is it fun to drive, Jett?
Yes.
Are you going to give 5 alarm a go now?
Yep, he's just doing the donut.
Whoa, we ran over Snuggles.
Snuggles, what were you in the way?
Okay, so now...
It's 5 alarm. Dun, 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 dun. So then 5 alarm is going to be jumping. That one just... Ugh.
Oh.
It keeps on turning. Can't really work when it's on there.
Is he just doing donuts now too?
Yes.
So Jett, after a little play with both of them, who do you think's the better remote control?
Ow.
Jett, which one do you think's better? Who's that?
Races.
Yeah. Shall we finish the video there?
Yes, but it's we're just gonna do another video. You guys just need to wait a few seconds.
Okay.
Now, Baba, shoot, fans.